React Native Development Services 101, Flutter Development Services. React Native Development Services are essentially outsourcing the creation of your mobile app to a team of experts specializing in this framework. They will use React Native, a toolset that allows them to build apps for both iOS and Android using JavaScript, a common web development language. Here's a breakdown of what React Native Development Services typically entail. Mobile app development. The core service is building your mobile app using React Native. This includes designing the user interface, writing the code, and integrating any necessary features. End-to-end services. Many development companies offer a full suite of services, from initial planning and consultation to deployment and ongoing maintenance. Custom development. An experienced team can create custom features and functionalities to meet your specific needs. Support and maintenance. After your app launches, the developer can provide ongoing support to fix bugs, update features, and optimize performance. Here are some advantages of using React Native Development Services. Cost-effective. Since a single code base can be used for both iOS and Android, development time can be reduced, potentially lowering the overall cost. Faster development. React Native allows for faster development compared to creating separate native apps for each platform. Shared code base. If you have a web app built with React, you can potentially share some of the code with your mobile app, further streamlining development. Overall, React Native Development Services can be a good option if you're looking for a cost-effective and efficient way to build a mobile app for both iOS and Android.